Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, cruise control, multifunctional information center, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.